Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for 10th of June 2023. See what's happening in the market. Right. So this is the monthly chart and market, as you can see, is there multiple rejections here. One, two, third month going is rejecting still, and weekly is bearish, as you can see. This is the lowest price in this range. If this range is broken, then the next target should be somewhere here, around this area. So, and daily bearish as well. So we need to get this level to be broken before we move to the downside. 2277. So this level has to be broken before the market goes the downside. So what's going to happen? Market goes down, retest it, and to the next level. Because this is a very strong bearish candle, as you can see, daily is very bearish, so it's possible that it can break. However, if the news comes against the gold, on next week we got news coming as well, FMOC, so we can expect market movement to the upside. And it's highly likely that it can go upside, although the momentum is bearish at the moment, but with the news, it definitely can be raised to the upside. Or even next, the news is FOMC is coming on 12th, tomorrow is 10th. So you got 10th, 11th, we got a couple of days. So maybe it's possible the market range in here after coming to this level. And on the next day, either a break to the downside or to the upside. See what happens. And now see what's happening on the 4-hour chart. This was the movement on the daily earlier on. This was a Friday movement, and this was Thursday movement, and everybody was expecting the market to go to the upside. Why this level was broken, and if we consider this as a W, and this structure was broken, and we are expecting more up to at least up to this level before market can come just this W and go to the upside. But it never happened like that because we have negative news, and also the China has stopped buying gold. Probably you have seen in the news as well. If you follow, watch any news, economical news, investing.com or any other news, Yahoo Finance or any other news feed, then you will have that. So that's why there is a movement to the downside. Okay. Also, if you look at technically, it has moved from the 50% level and almost 50% level in daily. And this was a previous support area as well here. Previous resistance area as well. So it's possible sometime that market do not go as we expect. So technically it was supposed to go to the upside, but and we possibly could have rejection from here. Even 4-hour market have broken this level in 4-hour. Retested it. This level was uh, broken, and here this level was broken, as you can see, and retested it. Market went to the upside. Now we could have retest and go to the upside, but now the market couldn't hold this level, so we had rejection to the downside. Okay, so we have done the analysis. So going back to the news, for the 10th, we know considerable news, but and 11th, GBP and USD, there's medium impact, and GBP Abuka have impact news. The main news is coming on 12th. So maybe possible, as I said before, that market would range until these news come. So we've got quite a few news on the 12th. Thursday, we got some important news as well. PPI, core PPI, and so on. Unemployment claims. Friday, we got prelim UM consumer sentiment or US dollar. So anyway, I hope this is useful. I've done my analysis already, and if you want to take interest, you always go to smaller time frame, and you can further explore with RSI as well. The moment market, as I said, is possible to further come down, is highly likely, in fact. So RSI is to the downside, may further come down. So nothing special in RSI. However, if you look here, previously we have multiple divergences here. You look here. Here's a double bottom RSI. The market went to the upside here. So that's it, guys. I hope this is useful. And thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.